Abusia me da sipi ene menya kwan se me no ba be hia bio na yedi dwumedi a yato ne din se the community and the law ye sign a day abro ye fem reku frimpon me na menya kwan se ene me ne wo enhyase na fe yedi dwuma ma enkoyi pa fefefe emfa emma ene enya me nko a na me wo ha me ne me nuaba na manyeti ana ewo ha yedi dwumedi no ebebre wo na Bosome edu ewo mu ye was special treat be at the amount bebo ama watimi abo ho obra na afi watimi ananti na wabrabo nso akọ 13 se yedi dwume ya na ye ni BWF solicitors ena ede ebrewo BWF solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo Seven Sisters North London na woye ejuma Monday to Friday every anopa 9:30 kusi anwumere 6 o'clock BWF solicitors ede dwumadi ena Mamin Kai says more and common teaching more say the application echo home office now fi wa consider amaye say a court use any hearings paying to so emra hodo no senia esi eboy ye ho bra no ye beti ase na ye behunu ba bi ade be fa no e BWF solicitors and wo edi ho enkomo BWF solicitors from 020 7340 0208 493 7340 ene jumedie yene yenua penny lawyer Charles Asma ena eba ababedie na lawyer Charles Asma ewo BWF solicitors die na memano akwaba yirikan na fi mimisa se BWF solicitors etisen ansana mene menu aba edede aka no ede ababa to so lawyer Charles yema wakwaba na apomoti se
yemi adom ya nua
you na edwomo boko de
yemi adom pa eguso yusu nya yami de adom ya no eboa afoforo de bia no reviews eba no di adanse say people are really happy with nya yami fire so ebekoso ayene sara
ene na migina yengatifo ni ahafo nyina anemu na mama akwaba ene sonko kwa so kra ene memenda wie nka bia ka de kola no park o se mo trafi na mo aye odo adidi na so onya ho da je se oni en ba bedi enkomo nyame ensure da se bi bosumi October so a man special month
umusa really very important pass because in we say economy technology ni nyoma pressure na at the same time we tend to forget here to this month there say nyina na ye de ho hwem na ye dwendwen sa asam no eho
enyadi ame be mo abeye breast examination but mejidi is ye memma no so ani ade na ehia yen say ebetimi adi ho ankomo me da sepi say wanya ye ho adaje na ene woni yen eba bedi djuma eye the community and the law abusia medi kan bo wa mane say menua na manyeti ena eba bedi djuma na akwa
Eunice Oreku. Tipo, Michia, Obibia, so, Hoyapa, and I did say, a Jamwetini, a Moshe Indian, Adumanquana, Adomia, and then so you did me every month. You better must say, Moshe, the best.
Yes, Bosumi, more special something, and my Mzajama, Metro and Drew, how did you know?
Mate, but it's a dedication, Emma baby.
Mate, BWF solicitors will say you're two on Crania Yasada and Mawon. Now, Mika will say we're live at Facebook, BWF solicitors. Mika will be also say we're live at YouTube and also BWF solicitors. Sounds so and live at our radio so UK. You're live on Susubio at PAAM TV so Pastor Augustine Abaji and the Domino or the home and Common at all platform so Emma Obipia Enya. Oba na wapeke link no na wa share to all your people in your network, say WhatsApp, say Facebook, say YouTube, say a platform bia also na fe obi bia so enya ho emfaso and then come out the brown you say what they oba na sa bofra every amanone eba UK a then and na obeye meeting the serious and compelling family circumstance test serious and compelling Sari is serious and then say ehupa. A compelling so the anager say to be bit dimua. I was say yetimi ejemu na yetimi hunu senior ebisi akro. Yini penny Ezekiel Johnson. Yame ensure what the ababa to so say let's share. Ezekiel yame ensure yame onto unkwam na fi omwa bebre so. Any na moma fi yankoto yankra na yemra na yeba. Yɛde nkɔmmɔ no ɛba abɛhyehyɛ so yɛbɛdi kan akɔ yɛnua na mayɛti hɔ no ɛde ɛyɛ nuggets ɛne nneɛma a wɔsɛ yɛde to yɛn nkotodwam no ɛde ato hɔ ɛde aman na wɔma yɛn a hint of what will come up in our quiz segment. This is an important show you don't want to miss. For all the gold at Obuasi. We'll be right back.
Yɛyɛ fɛma yɛwɔ London yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu ɛyɛ legal services bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna twitwagye woɔ na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa Bernard Owusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK memu bɛburu mfie 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wɔn ho. Inti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea ɛyɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yen senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛtwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF solicitors deɛ yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memene nso ɛyɛ appointment nkoa free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantia bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister yɛgyina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmeranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Medase bigi sɛ ɛnyɛ nipa nyina ɛna nya adɔyɛ a wɔyɛ mi sɛ wobɛtumi ɛne yɛn atena memeda awia sei sɛ yɛmfa dwumadie ɛyɛ the community and the law embrɛwo yɛnua ɛyɛ Manti say please what's the WhatsApp number WhatsApp number no ɛna ɛwɔ screen no so no 0795042278 0795042278 maybe corner fee minia na mighty at the and common acquisition sona yet the fan edi kind at the abro which will be the nuggeta yet the abro and our things so ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a yɛ na yɛka ɛde ɛto yɛn ɛbɔtɔ mu no sɛ bɛyɛ a nso wobɛtumi anya ho mfasoɔ ɛno nti me nua na ɛwɔ ahoma so yi na mekɔma no akɔ aba na mabisa sɛ apɔ mu ɛte sɛn ɛdɛn ɛna na wɔtwe mu yɛmfa mc koto dwom na take it away.
Yo, Oracle, Medasi, therefore, a bed Coswa Damasi, say Arabia, Muguswa, Muti, and not Moshe. And BWF solicitors the community and the law, now, Ibuswa, a day brewery. The woman said, Nuggets Kakra, ye war a year, Yana Watri Keke, but Busumi, the month of October, a year at the Swabia, I say. A comma a man na ye share any say ye say yare a your friend of breast cancer yare bia ha ma pa na me bisa say na obi be can research ka cry aye no see did you know say in 2020 there were 2.3 million women diagnosed with breast cancer and 685,000 deaths globally with breast cancer, surpassing even lung cancer as the most commonly diagnosed cancer. And where you share research now, I just say breast cancer UK research source now in free year. Now, Akobanisa, I just say breast cancer Arabia a hard ye we share 2.3 million. You pop in impa. Now, near Kakra ye can ever want to say. Breast cancer no yebedi wuduma yebeka ho nsem ene nyame adoma ye quiz no ebe free sa breast cancer nsem ye na ya ye nhye ne so ho afen so no ye nhwe ye nugget a ye de ede mamo na wotwe mu ne di kan say ye say ye nyina ye nim say under the family immigration route now applicants must show they have adequate accommodation for the family in which is owned or occupied exclusively by the applicants and their family. The air say adequate accommodation. What does it mean? It means that the family will be living in accommodation which one is owned or occupied exclusively by the applicants and their family. The autonomy will be obtained without recourse to public funds. The autonomy or say is not or will not be overcrowded. And then the fourth one says does not breach public health regulations. The basic rule is that a child under the age of 10 can share a room with another, and so can couples. Nationally, a bedroom will constitute a room. But in addition to this, a living room, which is used as a bedroom, also counts as a room. Where did we get this source? Chapter 8 of the Appendix FM Immigration Rules, Part X, Housing Act 1985. Kakra patre hane say eba no say family application as a family immigration route now application through the family immigration route now. Ne say okay, Mr. Omeka say me way the coffin. The airport say or say what say adequate accommodation. Just say baby the pakwa application the amano. A dying a son bo say oba obenya baby the ononso niti ato na a dying sema all can say near the kind so can say adequate accommodation let us say near the kind if you na baby a mutino there was say a year papa
mami nji won free ho na o he akodi
Sawa.
juma bia ma na afi
You and my main trust na.
My main lawyer, asthma, na
Okay.
Lawyer, na I don't know what is a new lawyer. My main
Okay.
Anyway, and see, lawyer, Wabasui, said the boss or no, she was trying to give us the explanation, but me man in the lawyers say because me nyanya certificate.
Mate.
Na
Oh, Matthias, the child. Malaya and Church, na fem near Kahono. Na me fan so.
That's really very good. What must say there na a boy pa. Anyway.
Okay.
No, say under the family immigration rule, no. You were say and she said also in your dying a person and idea. Madam Mona, a year home office for a tro and runner, Musenia is see at Chimuna Yenre.
Yo, me that's be brave, Bracoku. I minya na and na obu bosono. Until I will continue from where you ended. Senior Nasha no accommodation no very important. It's a whole year application under the family migration route to Appendix FM now. But cultural say apart from we see carny maintenance na there no obviously accommodation so at the same. Na near a woman no ne say oh year application no nipa no eba. But the question is oba he na oba tina and that's all better. And under the provisions of public health and other regulations, and I work room hano. Near Mrano can say overcrowding a very serious concern. And he say fear no year overcrowded pair na sama abba because a public health issue. So anti wo bano, if you say kwalano ba na say nimpa no ba he and obey or babatina. And just say adequate accommodation. The question is what is adequacy? Now, Mrano can say, depending on nimpa biya ye nimpa, penio akwalao. But so ya akwala dia, let's just say, omo ye under 10 betumi di mienu egudan ba akumu, emana ye. Ena edan no nso no ye kan living room eka ho.
No living room,
a dine. So apart from so be kitchen if you hono, your baby so say, oh, a dine ahe. Bedroom be a marco. Living room separate there, no soon to me that ho, ye. Under the relevant law, no, especially the 1985 Act now dealing with housing, accommodation, adiano. And then hono na embrano ye fee ya abashe immigration there no ase. Nti se bia wo de nipa baako na eba. Na wonso wonkwa na wote. Nipa na oba no the question is oye hwan. So your kunu ana oyere dia automatically no woni ne beda mpa baako so. Nti dan baako na wo mu no eyema application no. Say akwala ka ho a obviously no akwala no ntumi ni parents no enda da baako mu. Nti sa living room e wo ho a ene so betumi aboa ema na yeye. Se nimpa no bro so sa na just say okay and there you share another one some kwala no ya under 10 years and there mienu betumi ache dan baako ema na yeden ayeye. Nti imagine say wo de wo nkwala baako wo ha wo de wo yere eba wo yere no so e wo nkwala mienu dada ye wo step children. Nti say ye hwemu nkwala no ba ye 3 na mo mpenifo no ba ye 2. Nti say ye calculation no a penifo mienu 1 room because mo ye couple. And na nkwala no omo ba no so ye be hwe omo age. Nti age no assist under 10 years dia emra no makwan say mienu betumi ayden ache dan baako ema na yeye. But na just third one no e be ka no assist so no tumi nya dan separate one. Nti na ye hwemu an kwala miensa na penifo mienu no e be 1 room for the couple, 1 room for the nkwala mienu amoya under 10 no, then another room for be the third child no. Maybe acquire 3 rooms. But 3 rooms will be I can say we want 2 bedroom, 1 hall. And no boy man ye. Say nimpa no dosu adult womb be a enuanom ka ho siblings na ade ka ho na moti e ofie no mu dada de a then we are looking at how big the place is. So you say how many bedrooms and now. It's a very, very important threshold as I say you meet.
Mr. Bissell, say how many rooms are different from how many bedrooms?
All right.
Especially so the application.
With the applicant, you can say how many, usually maybe say how many bedrooms. Maybe say separate hall or what now. Because we manage a studio flat. This was separate living room there, and also a back kind bedrooms no. Because I habitable in terms of sleeping.
Okay. All right. We any enchichimua a lawyer Charles Asma a day yen na senior na minia na ebuboso no lawyer achimu a day amai. Now meaning so what question do we no one sana ya call your main topic as well.
And no senior achimu no sa but one say these days I say and profile omujiji dying wo aban we Mbia nimiano miensa na oba mienu emma mienu sorry na bema baako na yebeka say bema no mbia mbia wenya 12 years emma ni enyini na yebeka say mo 2 rooms na mo pese mo invite mo nua baako free ye can say mbia Ghana enso embeka ho enti 2 rooms e obehwa na chese mo living room ne ka ho a na akoye miensa then they count it as 3 rooms but mbia na nipa kwa all bad ono eni efi chain you can say a man mienu and I say mbia na 8 difference no it looks mbia maybe 2 under 10 and 2 above 10 no and no sharing no how do they go about it because se peneno ono ntimi ni obia share because mbia no no so ye bema no bema no under 18 there but just say baby away do no oshani nsem grandma ni yi na ne oba na esoso no nso no mbia pepa nse 50 more but nkwala mienu no emma no mbia na bema na ewo middle ono nso no just me patches line of age no na enti no penino ni obi shy na akoye bibia wo ho enti no sa no say would they invite here and also would that go against you and I said chinchina so pay extra room and they can't say 3 rooms now.
Yo me da sebebre na nia ewo mu no ne senior uridi ewo na get no mu no. Or say adequate accommodation, there should be no overcrowding. Nti yebeye calculation no nipa dodo na eba no from wo case no I would mind no scenario no say mpenifo mienu ewom amoye even say adults couple
yes
and na nkwala wom but omo teenagers omo bro 10 mienu na nkwala mienu nso wom omo ye under 10 nti yehwemu a 4 children 2 adults na sa 6 people no mienu no omo ye couple no omo wo 1 room omo ye 1 room
yes
mienu no omo ye under 10 no omo timi use 1 room mienu no omo ye over 10 no even though omo ye nkwala no omo hia 2 nti be 2 plus 1 plus 1 which is 4 rooms including the hall
exactly
nti se nipa no wo 2 bedroom plus hall a be 3 rooms which is less than 4 ohia no
okay enti no na
we 3 bedrooms and a hall ebeboa
restriction they are not more you can only afford that 2 rooms and a hall no, making it 3 rooms so let us say with that
well I'm really kind of say they should them conform no mobile no aim be create public health hazard
okay
so you have to mitigate the hazard by preparing yourself before you bring them.
Okay, yati. Yabeshe mwasemaka because all the ending kakra.
Na ending there but I'm say lawyer for we there VWF for we there. Me sure see we have problems but whatever it is so the media say obi ehia emobi obi ehia mwachichemu
nti
o approach BWF
so sure with specific circumstances bi kra na age no a or they ban no bia no we getting wrong could be some kwala no kra mo ye under 10 No, no feel say above 10. So we look at all this, then do the calculation.
Okay. Yeah, I was saying, say, and now about two young ewujmedi so BWF solicitors, yeah, the community and the law, and yeah, the brewoy, yeah, war, Ezekiel Johnson, waboyan with the questioner, no, at the eba, no, say, Salom Mati, so or per WhatsApp number. During the show, you can text or send your voice note or even call on the number 07950 422780 07950 yeah nanajimai also otre sa amanfo emomodia omonhye program no free legal education ye wo Gina osei awo ahoma no so a ono so aba be kan ho Gina nyame enhira yeah tiliduma ewo ha Vicky Newton also ODNA nice program. Thank you very much for joining us. And Ezekiel again says, let's keep sharing family. Bringing a child to the UK, knowing what the serious and compelling family circumstances are. And there's a test that you have to meet and pass. Sebeya ubitimi enya ho mfaso na compelling circumstances no. I mean, I'm caught now of you and then menena jimedi the other so me has your test kaka. Yes, say compelling circumstance. Difficult circumstance. What the community the Muntiana amount for Eddie or more questions near dear Edeba. Or more, what do people think about that? Say, what do you ba dear challenge na ya no muta enya. Na me fantoma lawyer.
Compelling really over so because no one will meet to one
compelling.
And American
and difficult.
And
okay. Well, and the name as well, you were on the radio on Friday. Amount for Ebisani, but a day in a year, amount for betimi can say a ye be a chicho or most de abo free titu Ghana eba.
Okay. Say your crochet ebia yabeka say prove evidence no. Say sometimes no na hard drink kakra. Ubehu ebia yemfa no yembeset ya nyame adominim se afede nyoma esisa de but dodo na ebefa say few years ago ye wo no ye wo a ye nye beset enimwenim heya enti no ubehu se afi wo abedu hwa na opese ukofa wo ba ye se che beset na obeye no so na ya no current date enti any current date na na Emma efficacy mo enya a bit doubt kaka because of hanomo system ne de wo ho ye wo apala acha buru so abusome no ya register apala no ne ama ne best set by yen krom na ya na entisa those times sesisia na sesa dia I stand to be corrected enti ho no etumi koye hard den kakra ne atro ye will be 19 maybe 80 something na afei na ye the best set afei so no say obetre say no kre wo ba no no na or say we go through this DNA process wa onim say wo ba wo say DNA ye na enhyeda enye de na emusika sem ne ade no eno so ya na akọ hard den kakra afei so akra ya wo ba akọfa na bebia ne say example amede kamen maybe wuduma wa oye wa ha eso ne we bushia no so more 2 or 3 rooms accommodation na afo pesa akla no de be ka ho yen krom no ye nipa be 3 4 cry odan back we feel happy okay whether health hazard or whatever we are happily living in that condition and so na I say ye de ba ha na museum what 2 rooms with a living room making it 3 room na rooms na me confirm me ba be ka ho even though I have to meet the finance or hono you can say finance brofuna ayero with mental ways.
I feel what you mean. Say ye fa fi wasem no mu a ye behunu say ye wo ba bi a oba ne beda e problem a hard ran amanfo wo sikasem ayi and afi wo prove say abofra no so ye oba no eno ho asem. Thank you very much. Ma me mboni nyina abo na me nko ye lawyer Charles Asma ho na me nkobisa say lawyer the na abobo so e de ba ye any topic ane BWF solicitors mode maye you say difficult and compelling circumstances. Test I will say you meet. The able boss way and no any dear I will say you're drilling home and now say emrano at to say.
Yo near na a boss no a fabino a better say here. Now your bad test way ya Nediano so uncle.
Okay. Okay. You and you know what Darama you say Kakum, Yajino Quenum Yanke senior esi etie me wa abofra e wo Ghana me pese me de no e free Ghana aba be ka me ho e wo ha we all value family eno nti e wo se me de ne ba abofra no me ana me hwe no me ba maba no ma ana se me wo fa se na me busuani bi so difficult and compelling test no e den
yo that's be brave brakeku etie fo na ahwefo a enen so nya emre ama edwuma we edem wase bebre Ichia Uncle Ben near Busia war BWF solicitors asye na wonso a and way to me abba. Yo and then no senior when him no ya share sa ukofa wo ba abba. Na ya di awe wo say bibia ni ho a ese akwala na brebo a sa nti wamfa akwala na mba ebe ha adwen. Na ye gina eno soso na yesi yemfa ma akwala no even though akwala no bibia di adanse say wo ba no wo na wo hwe no. So responsibility we prove maintenance we prove accommodation we prove BBR but Omakacha said there is no serious and compelling family consideration that will make the exclusion of the child from the UK undesirable and therefore akwala ntina Ghana na kwan a wo fa so hwe no hwe ne sara aya na ento asum na eye quite disheartening ntende nkomodie no ye behwe. So we your application kwan ben so na obetumi aboa na afas na we hu say we know at least a better case worker no assume anasa obeti assess we meet in a way. Now you share paragraph 297I na you share F no a paragraph 297 no for nkrofo a omoye parent wo UK or memu na omuwo indefinite leave to remain announce say omuwo citizenship na one person okofa womba eba na yaka say paragraph 297I no A B up to F in say we meet obi ma we meet ni na but okwa F ho no a na akwa ha adwen fi say the baby sense den na eha akwala na abrabo nti a wamfa na mba wontumi and survive e wo oman no a emu then na wo a wo de bedi adanse eno ho na ende ye dwendwen na ye kasa bibi e serious and compelling na ye hwe enyoma bebre se na ye hu no enye ABC anase 1+1 na waka say me pay slip ni anase we so I have met the maintenance or accommodation or 2 or 3 bedroom we there a fact sensitive embrand baka say fact sensitive nti nyoma dodo a wo bo no a wo de be meet with specific case no aya na eboa then na esi ewo akwala no abrebom nti we are looking at the harm test, we are looking at the welfare test, ye share best interest of akwala no ye share reasonableness say akwala no amba ebe ha adwana sa akwala no ba ebe bo akwala no ana ndi sa nyoma ni na ebobo so ni na no ese winya ho krata bia ebe di adanse se bibi koso e akwala na brebo mu a se ye gya akwala no wo ho a ye nte asampa emfa akwala no ho afi ye beka se ye hunya nche ye ma akwala no bra
nti ya na edi because be a case worker na ye dey adsam na kwa akoto nanim no onti amamre na se papa anansa Ghanaian system since any city na be no hu papa nti se document amede be bab no then there was a itimi ye emma a year authentic. Because we say a fact sensitive. Into some akofa birth certificate about. And then
improve say
and then the birth certificate in the soa. I bet you say akola we and answer any fact sensitive. Me na mhwe no. Me na my money transfer. My stress ani money nyina. I didn't think there was a omutimi jina so crackers ade we mentimi enyintum. And then the those documents are wrong.
Those documents in are very, very good because we do not so, but each one is meeting a particular test.
Okay.
Birth certificate proves say akwalano oba.
Okay.
So that proves relationship. Because we need to be back. That's
right.
I just said or your biological child based on the birth certificate, or DNA, and now say a adopted child based on custody order and that's adoption papers now when if you court and need the relevant social welfare agents or mine emuno. Into the birth certificate in few were pay slips bank statements and idea and no interest say there's something serious about Kolan life. Just proves a Kolan ba obet me ahwe no. Into prove maintenance.
Okay.
With the tenancy agreement how many bedrooms are how long ubet me atena efie ho under the duration of
and also accommodation.
No prove accommodation. So what is here? Now I said then I just say akwala no nkuto e na wo hwe no. Papa we o ma na say o ma me we and that's a biological mama no e wo he. So we adopted parent and that's a foster parent. And also no wodi nyoma bi be ba wo be prove sa sole responsibility no. When I would just school fees or mo throw letters bibia o meye wa akwala na brebo mu no. This one be so answer. All the important decision when I would take it and your sole responsibility. The question is, and so what? I don't think I'm going to mean no mind no. This is moving a call baby fufu. Before you move up a baby fufu, not just say baby cost so baby a 1-1. You take immediate action.
As a kutia kolano or baby or one to see uniform.
You're looking at the harm. Either the existing harm or the imminent harm. The risk. Okay. Be a kidnapping be a kokokoso. Emma bia akola nko ya kidnap no pen emma yetumi enya no esi yetumi enyi na mfi ho de a bibi betumi asi ehin de ne ekọ 1 bia akola no obi ani ho ohwe no ma miewu na adopted parent no so owo amanone na odi na hye nkrofo nsa bia nkrofo na odi wa hye nsa no ye friends nti odi won ko we ho kakra no, they na akwala akọ na ekoyi no akọ baby fufuro because those people are not willing say akwala no bet na won chain permanently. Nti na kisa akwala no na brabon cry dem aye besa okotena Kumasi no akotena Accra no akotena Tema because obi ani ho obetumi aye dem ahwe no family members no obi ani ho apart from ami no a owa ha no opese ode akwala no ba no. Nti we is this harmful to akwala no? Factually. Yes.
Okay.
Yeshemu a Sankrofo no de adanse baba se ampa mintumi hwa akwala no bio ambefa wo ba na be ne ko aban ho minyese bio minyese akwala no gu ma ware say na fe wo ba so mo de letter beba ebe dia because
a letter no I was say a free individuals no ho ananse bi also mo de kofa court and the man no eba
right it's an you share one aspect of serious issues that eba na brebom you share be akwala ne te and you say parents no be a omuni ho e bi omo ewu and as a parent no bi omo wa ha and omo de akwala no ahye obi nsa na obi hwe no and ya nkrofo na omo hwe akwala no omo mo ama parents na anase nipa no wo abrochire no a ama won tumi so omo hwe akwala no ama won notice say wa mafa wo ba meja no watu won krasa wa mafa wo ba meja no oja no sen and ya be ne ko social welfare for ho na mo mahwe no krom ha nka be gasa me ne ko foster say social council for
mo mahwe
won pesa akwala no be ko social nsem ehin na wo di akwala be ko ni pe ya ma letter na ifisa ni pa na ohwe akwala na o se ontumi hwe ni biem no because ono na sama all kan no agi so gu paper so na edi adanse say ampa o se on hwe no den biem obaka ni enti ontumi hwe ni biem
okay
na se mi ntumi hwe ni biem na so ntumi imagine dia na akwala no life no e in danger That is serious issue.
Okay. Inti me and maybe why na eche my dream so kakra because abofra no welfare any e ka ho asem sese. Inti say me here say e was me dey such abofra no eba ma mount evidence say ni. Inti dai na betimi ama nipa na trans refuse me.
Evidence ben na we dey ama about akwala no welfare. Evidence that we dey ama no e kire say akwala no ye wo ba relationship and I say or your family member relationship.
Okay.
Evidence that we dey aba no kire say obetumi ahwe akwala no maintenance. Evidence that we dey aba no kire say obetumi accommodate akwala no accommodation. Evidence that we dey aba no kire say akwala no wo na wo take elder decision so responsibility. But if say serious and compelling family circumstance emma akwala no exclusion from baby a wo te no undesirable in the interest of akwala no. Then the next one say what arrangement na why ya akwala ne ba afi do be safer than baby or one.
How do we prove these?
That is what we are discussing. Until we know say na ye kan a fact sensitive. Until a case law which say Mundiba 2013 assessment no a welfare based. Until assessment no ye no se case worker no or your assessment o se court and asem ne kodu and omoye judge no assessment ni na no ewo welfare of akwala no. Until fa case study be into yenim. Case be ananse na me conduct on the court process appeal no. Na nkwala mienu na omame ewu.
Okay.
O papa nso wanji yefun no. Santi yebeka nkwala no ye wo without father. Mame ewu ye because papa na nji yefun no pressure no adwendwen no ekun no.
Okay.
Ti ye wo nkwala no ana mame ni fi mu. Mame so ni nua ba ko pe. Ni nua ba ko no e wa agorechire. Mame no a ofi mu no one ne mame na no omote. Santi nkwala no automatically na nano no we take it up.
Okay.
Omo grandfather no so oni hobby wewu. Nti ehwe papa no an side no out because papa no yenim no ne ekotrace na the family members.
Okay.
Na maame no so efim na nana no ohwe nkwala no so efim. Na maame no se ohwe we di ade na ohwe nkwala no owa abuechire. Na ono na wakwaje akwala no e de se okoso okotena ho na ohwe nkwala no ba waje nkwala no ode won amadan family friend. Family friend no obaka o say akwalai edi 15 santi ifie no esua sa akwalai wa maje wo ba ma waru kra betumi ayi egu because me kunu kra start ma me problem ti baje wo ba wa cho letter ma nipai nna see you mama o sa period baje wo ba ebru naso no akwaje no ba onye ready santi ode akwala no koma dam fufufuro.
Okay.
Ode nkwala mieni koma dam fufufuro no ohwa na dam fufufuro so chiro say yo mwana me de boa wo no mintumi nji embo ankosi ewieye ti misra wa bomode na enyum yi
bebe fa
ye bibi fa ho na me de se wa me ye bibi anfa ho de a me bra ne de me de beja egu so de mo kwakwa aban mu na me aye worried me enko tena ho enhwe nkwalai ana se me enko fa won emra.
Okay.
Se man kwa wan no be hwe nkwalai Same kwanso a bibi best wo bichi.
Okay.
Is it about mame no and I say akwala no? We nkwala no mu hia. Nti a situation where is there welfare issue here about nkwala no? Yes. So my brother boy besa. They won kwa ha.
And on this are compelling.
So there are serious issues coming up.
Okay.
Welfare issues coming up. Harm issues coming up. Bibi eba man kwala no omo growth and development atosin no a harm and welfare matter. So what is here?
Okay.
Nti say who said this is the case there? Is this so important say be nkwala no efi ho na yade na come be a maame na we take responsibility no or one na abrochiri no.
Okay.
Nti ehwemu a it would be better say nkwala no be come maame no omo owa abrochiri no enchan
Dan some but
Dan some bet na baby a obi ani ho a obehwe.
Lawyer me wo scenario bi. Me mfamra bi a obetimi a kire. Is a life case nti me yidi na fri. Obabi ene ne kunu ewo Ghana ena ware gyae aba. Oba na ware be ma foforo ene na ba betena UK ha. Omo nkwada for the purposes of our discussion on Kalam you know. Ena be ma na obe ware oba na foforo no. Ode ne nkrata cover oba no. Okay? Ena like when you setena wa ha no osi ha. Me mam you know Ghana. Me tu kwan no me ja omo ma house help. So on hwe omo. Be ma me ne wo ye no hwe nkwala no. Ono de bi one day be 2 days be no afa ho no akoya mo te se no wo baby. But omo day to day yin de house help na me de ja no. Ono na hwe omo. Se say akohia sa me nkofa nkwala na mra. Me the application to my am farmer me. Eno sa no eden na wo se nko ye ansa na watimi also okoje custody order free court ana so also okohunu be ma na na wo ye na kasa me say ma ware foforo unim sa ma ware foforo waje atum sa ma ware foforo ntimi me fa me ma kwa untimi nsi ho kwa eden na wo se ko ye
yo minim nya wo kan wo refusal letter no mu because refusal your mama reasons
okay
HSA we meet rules no
okay
ebia na omu refuse no because omu ka say so responsibility test no when to meet because papa or hwa the new konkwala no ho even though partially let us say papa no can take over then let us say ma me ne pe na won kwala no abrabom okay that could be one side but that conversation is about serious and compelling family considerations na na can say say the two case here would by example ho a nkwala no ne house help eneti today assume so say be papa no kra no say na wo kan ni nkonkwala no nti wa abandon won
okay
wa abandon nkwala yi na for a long time santi house help na ahwe nkwala ya question is house help we di ahen e be o ye penny kakra we di 30 40 whatever or adult na we take mother role among nkwala
yeah
because my me no e wa ha nhwehwe ben na oni sa house help you call ye so nhwe nkwala no so what is here now be ani pe ahwe nkwala ya a sha se ne ne ji afidi o se me so me move on me so me for me family enti me to me emma wo family
no en chiming that's right
enti me srawo me fa wo ma no anasa wo ba no so that I can move on ama 1 year and after 1 year no one my fan no I was say me do won ko baby anasa me ja wo okay other family members no mo won
okay
so family members were what they can take over maybe a family members no bia no kra no omo nsha da anti area ho sa na say omo ebi ni ho sa anti now obi a oye house help na ohwe nkwala no because a family members were what nka won no be take this role no
okay
for the first say stranger ehwe nkwala no che say family members no eni ho apart from your abotire no and ono so say ontumi nye biem imi jankwala no nkwala no afi o mangasa be live independent life kwala so omo ye nkwala uja won abrabo no be besa bi kwa no omo ye mma na teenage pregnancy abam bi omo ye mema na social vice issues abam omo take up friendship bonding so there are harm issues that we can envisage
okay
which will affect the growth and development of
Nkwala.
Okay. Na say yanye bibi ho amfa ho immediately e ba affect nkwala no seriously, psychologically, emotionally, physically. So we are looking at abuse. Okay. There's no abuse here, but there's potential neglect.
Okay.
Which is harmful. And that was affecting the welfare of the child. And what is the best interest under the circumstance? Would that best interest for this child in terms of growth and development so ometna ho na omaya besa na say be move on akoma foforo mu na ometumi nyi ne yie.
Okay, lawyer, sa scenario here yenhwe se bia was what she said in my year. Documents also they approve ni ade nyina na bia wa hyehyɛ. Then the case worker say minjin tum papa say what din hyehyɛ ni nyina so ana say impo obi ani Ghana obetimi ahwɛ wo mo eno nti me refusal. But to say ono so ne ma wa form new relationship. Ohia ne ma no so mo because we jam ankwala no ama stranger sene wo kan ye no. So onhwɛ. Papa no 1 or 2 days we no akwa wo mo. E dan no obetimi aya ebema sa situation na compelling we meet it sa test no.
Yo, and see, I say a fact sensitive. But the fact say, that case we with a similar case, the two treatment will be different because the case by case.
Okay.
The case we na you say ni Porsche akwala and your family member because family member be ani ho. Family member or no a father no abandon one. So we have to establish that there's abandonment.
Okay.
From the side of
the father.
Until now will be na oshan kwala no.
Okay.
Nipa na oshan kwala no edi letter bre mami a ne owa abrochire say oba no beji won. Yes sir. Metu wegu. No be call first a frozen orphanage. One person will be when go to orphanage, then you go through the trouble of getting them again. And you have to take steps. Until later now the bama no e nyina so. Say bibi e kwaso e betumi affect den nkwala no. Then e kwaso obi ani ho obehwe nkwala no.
Okay.
Nkwala na ngese betumi atena na age no will determines bia emboa se o mangasa be den betena. Sa dia adult ben na betumi aba won abrabom. Sa adult ya yeka no asem e ya maami no wa agrochire no.
Okay.
Enti we no maami no we prove bibia but then nature say issue aye kwaso e serious something kwala no ntumi ntina sa oman no mu na maami nso entina baby foforo.
Okay.
Nti letter na if sa lady no one e very very important. Na ne obeka no wom no so no e important. Kona na be determine say there are harm issues and there's a welfare concerns.
Okay.
Then we'll look at in terms of Article 8 of the Human Rights Act.
Okay.
1998. Say, we are looking at family life. In Tinkwalaya, yes, ma one bay. Now, omuni sama in the family life aspect, you know, both akwalani right and then my minister right. To my Americans, I have the right to my children. But case where can say yes, you have right, but what are the compelling issues are? We a bit British are right, and so that I'm to mean tina baby for fro. Nastalani, I will yama one with the wahano, unconso and yama one.
So, case a bit me appeal.
Appeal matter. Into we ya what dear no, but ye no come so that qua appeal, you know, say, case where can eddy for 1 year.
Okay.
When ye no be a beara na a qua appeal, I think I will build the fact or case. Because a qua appealer, judge no basha say case worker no or ye juma ye and I say what ye. So no so be assessment no. Say this is what the law says. Under case law, welfare of the child. Under legislation, welfare of the child. Nti case worker no or consider welfare of the child under the evidence na ye de call ya no ana. Be a case worker no because say one fit be a say welfare of the child no issue. To be a nipa no amfa bibia e cover serious aspect no a ekoso no na ekoso akola na brebo mu no amfa evidence bia e dey anko but kodu court a obetumi decide evidence right there
onya judge but the nedia ma me fa judge check back o tell na say situation bia ba beto wenim the compelling and difficult test no titru and say ye behu akwala no na say benya akwala no welfare judge betimi aka say say ya wo kan die asa menyi ni sa akwala no kra oba no ana say even kra no say situation city wo Ghana no yentimi emfa emmaw na judge na ja Article 8 any welfare no one make a decision a bit more possible sir
it's in the levels of appeal first year tribunal judge no bet me a mistake to overlook the law
okay
to make a wrong inference or interpretation of the law. Senior case worker or misinterpreting or making wrong decision. It's possible to say first year judges will be making the same mistake.
Okay.
Nti ekwabasa you who said there is issue or error in law, we move on to the second level, upper tribunal.
Senior
appeal judge, in fairness, and I got the next level of appeal. I say, I'm running by judge, you know who we say instead of say. One chance, the interpretation was different. Santi, there has been a mistake in law. Now, upper tribunal judge, like I said, you show more, Sanam Raneka, serious and compelling family circumstance. Nimpa yi be akoye. But judge, you know, at the upper first year, no, it taking no as sole responsibility. Instead of paragraph 297 IF, serious and compelling.
Okay.
We take a different interpretation and therefore got it wrong.
Okay.
Senior judge, appeal upper tribunal, no, would then look at it and says, no, this is what should have been done. Now we're reversing.
Okay.
And that's what Becca said. This is what should have been done, and this is what was done, and therefore nothing is wrong.
Okay. Abusia say afi na obeka ye ho a ubetimi do question and no concern no abaye live e wo Facebook BWF Solicitors ye live e wo YouTube and also so ye BWF Solicitors and aso ye muma ye de enkoma ye di brewo the community and the law mirinda awie wo number ide be ye adwuma no 07950 422-780 07950-422-780 and I say over 0208-123-1016. Bringing the child to the UK, meeting the serious and compelling family circumstance test. I know, and lawyer Charles Asma, and ye diho and komo, and now oh boy, me who senior sa test no ubitimi a meeting. Na ni nyina no waka bibi wo ha say we see so several times we say a fact sensitive there na sabi e wo say wo de to na kwanso document a wo hia e kwan ya wo befa so na wakuchi wo letters na ade me de da bia me ka say say dokna to ahye no an say abin bomodi afa koma lawyer for na wonhwe ema e BWF Solicitors and me comfort say fa akokoma BWF Solicitors e wo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so our Seven Sisters North London impo wo aye office for crown so e wo Ghana obetimi a pinche wo mo na fe woni wo edijuma no amano aye 0208 493 7340 misi number no so 0208 493 7340 anase 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Now, a badge medi so the senior mobile number no so a day amount 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. But so edding common mene lawyer Charles Asma ha inia na my team so the other side of the line na question no concerns no ye pick bi na ye de ama lawyer Charles Asma na waboye no wabra ye toa enkomo no eso lawyer Charles Asma me brother me bisa say want me meet test no so well na be a case where ka say me convinced na why we refusal. Do you have an automatic right to appeal? And now say you have to raise your hands in here.
That's the brave. You have right to appeal. The case worker number right. Either you appeal or you seek administrative review.
Okay.
Most of the time, we go for appeal. Then you go to an independent judge, arbiter. Now what I can say, say na mranes here, say na ma mina na sa papa no junior, na won so den na wakafa sa asemu ye ho. Ono dia yemra and na obe interpreti. Now I apply, now I can say they have made a mistake, so I have reversed that decision. Or they have made the right decision and I maintain it.
Okay. Serious and compelling circumstance test. Abofra no Ghana and also outside of the UK ni akofana ba. Yem fano sa scenario me de bayi. Bema na 1-2 minutes bi no akwakohwe enkwala no. Se obi oba no appeal to his sensibilities. Na ka atamenwe me pesa me de enkwala no kokka me ho say I formed a very reliable relationship. Me nim mofra no omo welfare nti yenko wo nya daje nkohwe omo. nipa ohwe me main so kra so ya ono so kwa kware nti wo so ono so ekro eden na be ma na betimi aye obetimi atro letter keke anase me nim se ne court obetimi akokota akoka se enkwala yi me na me ma wo ne omo madane no ama oba we ne ni kunu foforo no omonko no omonko hwe enkwala no can it be done?
Yo, me that say. You see, near a war sa test we mu so ne say. Case work kind of a presumption.
Okay.
And our view is to rebut that presumption.
That presumption. Okay.
Presumption is that over money because they are better off where you are than where they are. Education, access to whatever. That is the presumption. A case where can I want. Santi, when I say we rebut, say no. Yani a war no.
Okay.
Nimbum, there are issues to do with Akwalano welfare. Nti senior working papa no osha Akwalano. Say papa fo bi kra ho a mutumi e rape o mo amomba.
I know keep cuz and I'm say takra this year. It's so annoying.
Exactly. Nti
ba ko kra de one ne ba anyem akoyegu.
Nti say no the fact so ye ne ba no and just said there could be some abuse or neglect going on.
Okay.
To my bit made na say yes, on the papa na etie ba na ye kwaso na ya asefim.
Right.
Me to me hwe na enkoso akwala na abrebom. Santi me yi nkwala na efi papa no enchen. And we could go baby temporarily.
Okay.
Be ani ho. I want them here. Because there are serious issues. So mo amba ha papa nkra betumi akwofa baby akwofa won. Because obakasa ne maro no.
Okay.
So there should be a distance between papa no ne nkwala no.
Okay.
I mean betumi agina no so. Is this serious? Yes. Abuse.
Very compelling as well.
And the compelling nature they say that will force the decision maker to say no, it is so reasonable say nkwala ebe fi ho. As opposed to
now.
Because now what they are and the refusal of the entry clearance possibly will contribute to future harm to nkwala no. But ni nyina no say na ye ka no then naturally say abuse be ekoso. Has there been police report? Has there been social service report or welfare report? Sinyani awode wa no beka say we ekoso. Krum ha no it's all about paper.
And Kwalano, would they be asked to give any evidence in case they be a appeal? You bet your friend Kwalano, nabi a judge and say the barrister or to man on etimiyama, so that the Kwalano evidence no will be weighty enough for a judge no ajiatum say a appeal.
Yo, but that's be brave. Kwalano views no should be at the time when we're prepared to make the application based on the cost no.
Okay.
Nti be abuse na cost no nti be a social way for social welfare for cry the abem. Police for cry abem.
Okay.
They interview Kwalano and your more can say they don't even feel happy living with nipa no omo ne omo ti no because they are scared.
Okay.
They want to be with their mom. They want to be away from there. They even want to leave the country. Not because of me be papa or baby, they fear for their lives.
Okay.
There's what we call gile competency. Nkwalano best interest should also be based on the Nkwalano epe. Ntibia say assessment stage no a ye gather information no time wa ye who say issue say kwaso no. Say independent officer be interview Nkwalano na Nkwalano etumi aka nso so say ne kwaso no hayen etietinyen nti epe say ye ko baby a ye ho beto yen. That will also show that even the children are saying that
they want to be with.
Happen.
Okay. 07950422780 and now 0208-123-1016. Dear lawyer, any kind was bringing a child to the UK meeting the compelling and difficult test. And I said difficult. Serious and compelling family circumstance. Lawyer bro for me passive yeah. Anti ubetimi afre. But your comments ne views kakra yenta aka ewa ha. Good afternoon everyone. Rama na Nana Sewa Sanso and Yewo Eric Kwabna Yeboa. So good evening, Eric Edase. Ezekiel Johnson, very interesting one. I love your Kenke proverb for obvious reasons. come to kakra. Okay. Ma minkofa we Dr. Sadom Matewonka or say good evening lawyer Asma and Brakwiku. Good evening Dorcas. So Anna my ears are open pa. I don't go blink my eyes simple. This one is from Linda. Linda Yada CP. Don't blink your eyes. Now share the page as well. Now amount for so a very long one which will be a question. Lawyer I invited a family friend to the UK. She was giving a 2-year visa. She came to live with us in the same house in the UK. When the person came here, she did some fraudulent things, and when we confronted her, she threatened the life of my family here to the point we felt she was actually going to kill us that day and had to call the police to intervene. The police came, but she fled before they arrived. The police asked us to report the person to immigration because their ongoing presence in the UK is a threat to our lives. She's also wanted by police, and we do not have anything to do with her. Again, do not want to be on record as sponsors of her visa since she no longer is no longer living with us, as we don't want her coming back here in future under the visa in our name. How do I go about informing the Home Office or UKVI? What number should I call and what exactly should I say to them when I call? Lawyer.
Yo, medasi bebre. We come titru Crawford, omo invite Crawford. Invitation letters. I demand Crawford. Say me invite to come for holiday and it's a visit. Now, nipa no ba because when I was sponsor nipa no, we create immigration footprint.
They are too.
Into obi oba ba bibi nti wentumi anko back and I so baby di bone no more or less one guarantor.
Okay.
Nti na police for can say
any on
report no on make it way and so. Nti ono no can say why and my friend no. I'm saying the question no. The fact that one reporter mo police no a good thing.
Okay.
And here number 1. Number ben na oba frɛ call now Google Home Office contact number. Obi your numbers bebre. Be a oba frɛ no oba can say if it's about this, speak to this, if it's this, you just follow the prompt.
Okay.
Now when your baby now wa report to concern no to them. What you are doing is not report the person, just to say, it was beyond your control to control the situation. Say, nipa na ba, na wa ba ye boni. You didn't envisage, say, oba ba ye boni. Senka wan fa number, and that's one my number. Wa ba ye boni. Then no more can say boni no ba ye, and you say wan ko back o. Aba ye be a criminal activity be. Emma senior police for can life public interest abem. Aya concern hosa. Nti ina be hia so ba report nti oye ne o se oye nyina wie na da chibi nipa no abakrum ha ende emfa no na da chibi ono ankasa person invite obi foforo eba enko be say we invite obi mani be create problem obi raise the point say yes nipa no ba ya no ne obe ye no because me ye responsible member of community nti me report here and in the interest of my sponsorship, no, and I said guarantee, no, me report here. So I couldn't have controlled the situation. But no interest I mean to me invite you Obi Nsuma here then. Maybe the only thing I say they will just be cautious of how often you're going to be invited them and Crawford.
Okay.
And to answer the question, no, just get the number and follow the prompt and.
Hopefully by the time I be a na Indian penny for a wage you know a pushing program no they might send us the letter and we'll put it on the screen for you. Another one na so I was some of the questions what ncheng obabwa ama yede ato. Until we'll take one and we'll go over to na fi or the bia brain. I'll say how does a student change his route if he has a child with a British lady who doesn't have a passport herself?
Yo, me da se bebre. Nti na all trying say student we benya girlfriend because a British lady, and a British wife. And we benya girlfriend on an hour. Now say British lady, how can a British lady not have a British passport?
I don't know.
Maybe somebody. We be one lady, not a British lady. And we be sure Barbie or buy on your British ni. Or you also your hot is on. And my name so ban with 2.5, so need be cried there.
Yeah, even
Scenario no. Nti yɛfa nsa ɔbaa ɛni bi kra ɛnde ontumi ngina ɔbaa no so. Ba ne mbom sɛ ne yɛ ka no ɔwɔ ne ba. Ba ne ba no ne papa no yɛ ne saa student yi. So what you say?
Okay.
Nti sɛ ne papa no wɔ bi a ne nka akwala no bɛgyina ne papa so ɛde ayɛ ɔno ne passport.
Okay.
Under the provisions of section 1 of the 1981 Act no. But papa yi a student. Okuta student visa. Nti akwala ntumi ngina ne papa so emmenya British passport. Na ne maame nso bi a onya ne citizenship or 2.5 and say bibi sa.
Okay.
Nti bi akwala yi ada say ya ma ne 2.5 no bi and say ya ma no bi kra. Pachawaje azie.
Okay.
Nti ne akoba say just say akwala yi enyi. And say maame no enya ne de because onya ne de settlement.
Okay.
Na akwala ne gina ne maame settlement no so eye registration. Okay. No be British citizen akwala. Na obenya no British passport. Na pepe pia ka say me ba sisi ma na ma hwa no na wa be say nti afi de me gina no so.
Ade aye.
Okay. Hopefully be as that time no ono nkasa kra no wenya ne de student no bia na afi de wenya ne de. But ye fa no so say akwala yi ewo bi dada.
Okay.
Akwala a British child or citizen akwala. Na student eye ne papa.
Okay.
Na so the question here, you see, students, you know, the fan sir, or your students who are akwala no project say, ono na wa no. And how that's what you say, but sanka akwala no maami wo bia. Na akwala no abaye citizen. Under ne maami a. Ne baye citizen. Nti ono papa no be gina ne ban so under direct access route.
Okay.
No was switch from student visa to family visa as a parent of a British child.
Okay.
No why you need there. But say okay, akwala ni bi. My meaning ni bi. No no angasa so eni bi. Nti omu nyina no normal people. Quote and unquote.
But I say akwala welfare could come paramount here.
Nsa akwala ne kan say akwala no ne maame nkyɛn. Ti bia ne maame o 2.5. Nti sɛ ne maame o 2 the issue nya akwala no ɔno papa no nasam na yɛ.
Okay. All right.
Ɔno bi say how do I come in? Nti obetumi aba in sanka akwala no wɔ bia.
Okay.
Ba akwala no benya bi true maame no because ɔno papa no oni bi dada.
Okay. Maame nkɔ anaso na menkofa na embra na afi on be join ne yen. Na akwa aba bio.
Yeah, yes, it does.
You. Any na say wo question bi e wo ho a lawyer asma e wo ha. Mame ento emma no na afi unso ehwe senia ode beba.
Question no ne di kan pacho mebo eye me de ba kono so e ba na. Okay. Ne di kan no. O say we say e kan say owo Odi kan chechi or see our a friend is a British child. Let me read it as it's been sent. Or say my sister has a British child, but she is in Ghana. The reason why the child is British is because she got pregnant with a British with an EU partner who has lived in the UK for more than 5 years. Can she make application to come to UK, please? If yes, how will she do it and what will be the requirement? Within the first one or the buy?
Yo, that's the bebre. Enti near ye can from near ye when akwala no wo UK has say.
Pacho akwala ni akwala no wo Ghana.
Akwala no so akwala ni maame wo Ghana.
There be ni maame no e wa ha, ba akwala no wo Ghana.
Oh, okay. Nti sister no a ye kan asem ewo akwala no maame wo krom ha.
Senior can say my sister has a British child, but she is in Ghana. But she is in Ghana. No, Ghana, yes.
Okay. Okay, akwala no wo wan kan wo baby akwala no wo at the moment. But akwala no wo
the she no the aba ho no. I don't know whether the person was referring to she as the sister, no, and I said she as the child. Now,
Okay,
I want to
now
British
you
child.
she the your child. Was splitting no. Into she's
Yes.
in Ghana. That means the sister no Ghana. Now
Okay.
the child is British because of ne papa. Enti na say maybe son say akola no wo ha say anasa ono so e wo ne maami enchen. So wo ha say ano ne papa na wo ha ana. Enti nia yeba ka kire yeni say wutie ya bomodia say wo ono no sane ma wo nso a obetumi aprompt ne say ontutu mekra na ome huye. There will be something in the story ebetumi ebie ekwan amano. Based on your work and one can win, so but no be open up to us, ebe when you womb, na yet to me, Asha Yababwa and
Okay, yeah, you and second question, but more question me and third one is the Nipakuni narrative, mommy. So after reading this to you, and I'll tell you the other narration. And yeah, and the second one is your saying if someone is on a 10-year route, family route, in bracket 2.5 years limited leave to remain, and has credit card debts, does it count for as a bad character, even if she's making regular monthly payments? And the same person, SABC, if the person runs... Okay, Martin.
You knew I would have seen you buy it. Now, my kind of kafu didi.
And no.
And now, Obia or Dudu more krumaha, Munkanasa, Dudu Edika. And I say overdraft, and I say a credit card, and I say loan crown a wakwaji. And I went to Mintia, and I saw to Mintia. Would ye the Yamiadum why arrangement I was way and Wootia, and to me whom goes away or kafo. And as I canoe and ya a buying our dinner with the bank, a private company. In this issue, I canoe character and fire a car with the bank. And you will be to say NHS, Ako, na winning crata, Santi, it was a chromebook or why a show, we are near amount bill. Na bill no wa abandon no mbese obetua eno no be your character issue. And I say HMRC tax issues. Na akobe bibi say be a fraud and say wuntua and say evasion bi a. Na ne okan de make say dey bi.
Okay.
And for character ho. Yen nyina ye de kan bi.
Okay, and you're not the same person as question number 2. I see if the person runs into financial difficulties and make application to engage debt management services, will it have an implication on his or her future immigration application?
Yo, me that's bebre. Inti yan fan say akwai so serious mpon say nipa no akọ IVA, efa no independent voluntary assessment. To the effect say wabaya we kra ubenya bad credit kra na ade a. You see bad credit bad credit. You are still taking steps to pay. And no yeah sure say because wadika na bibi nti wentumi ntia no ya bad credit nti unya o bad character. No, bad character no emfa ehwo sa. Issues to do with criminal nature, issues to do with HMRC debt, issues to do with unpaid NHS bills ne ade no na ya omo picking up. But bank loan ne credit card ne sanyama na obiara ya odi bi ne de omo hold it against you.
Yeah, lawyer, me further question but me kai man for say obetimi afreying ewo 07950422780 and I say obet the text and a WhatsApp voice notes and ade nyina no we can handle them obetimi dey about 07950422780 and also obe 0208-123-1016. Kai said the community on the law and was BWF solicitors and we fa ho ekanyina ade ato won ho so mene lawyer Charles Asma was studio Hassan so ana yewo yenua na manyete so ewo amano so a yede enkomo no ebrewo lawyer we efa scenario na wode emayen but mamema ebinum akwaba yewo Kenneth Kofi for Boateng and Tobam war so yada CP Sanso so and ye war Kwame Atajima say we from Aylesbury isha ida CP so ubomodin pa baby a wo e wo wiase bia no my hu say wo hwe program no. I think that's what everybody else should be doing because our program we information and the amount it was so any the kind of knowledge you get you should be having time for it every Saturday afternoon. Kai say ebaso every Saturday afternoon between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Shano so sa efa mami. Na mami ming pick a question we emfa lawyer quickly. Na yembra wodi no so the other ones that you may have. But you will be so send a voice note a day abraya and the same number so 07950422780. Mon fancha me we dey me pesa me dey beto screen also because say one my in live case ni documents bi ni ade a nkwala ni din ewom court cry ye doje nkwala din na nyam program so here ya beje me license every yeah but they all che tituwa ne say why application may refuse or court for appeal no okoji child custody letter at free court every Ghana by order. Well, say child custody letter. Mr. Sana, my friend. Emma or the Ebeka on and so call appeal no. Law a judge and say on J sa document in the entum because date or the kwaji you know near refuse application and that. What should a person like that do?
Right. And let me catch on say there are a lot of work at the application stage.
Okay.
Not
appeal stage.
The law allows you to add new evidence to augment existing evidence.
Okay.
Not to replace it. And senior all kind, for example, but you will come to the solution side. But what can I say? On hindsight, no be who say as I say prove say or to me one kwala so. Until when you to me one kwala so no kwa fan kwala on what basis no dey kwa fan kwala initially.
Okay. Okay.
Because you have to prove sole responsibility. You have to prove paragraph 297 IF, compelling, serious, and all that. All the ayaka kano. And anyway, this is what we have. You refuse no say on to me fan kwala no yede emma. Because according to first year judge, you know, we need to me I want kwala so.
Okay.
From the all kind of sana judge
okay.
You need to me one kwala just on your parent to be able to bring the children. Because if Bakachro said family members and then relatives.
Okay.
And now A, B, C, E no Elkono Bakachro say parent. Instead of say we a parent to the child or a relative of the child. We a relative there, then you have assumed parental responsibility. But any assumption by what you think, it has to be from court. And that's the adoption paperwork, no, custody order, no. Into your application, you know, custody order, no. Unless on our patron say it was so imminent, say the application had to go while the paperwork or the order was in progress. Application for the custody order no, was in progress.
Okay.
This application was in progress. The identity one first steps now we take it so
far.
Said the process is initiated, but in the interest of the welfare of the children, we have to take steps immediately.
Okay.
But when baby anka,
and
suspect say no koya ne say me mba no, and I say me sister mba no me be fa won. Me muna won sika me yes me na me hwe won ti me be fa won.
Okay.
And then panel can say, oh, but there's no serious and compelling family considerations that makes their refusal undesirable.
Oh,
so we can refuse them.
Okay.
And then no bet me aye.
Remedy no.
Remedy no no.
Kamimbu me beno prekwan.
O ben no say.
Doctor to ase no answer.
No, oh okay.
Enti fa ko bi do bi.
Enti sana tie dia ebia bibi wom a wen bi so. The operations were quite appeal first one.
Okay.
Meaning how long determination by it. Usually we have 28 days to appeal to the upper tribunal. But even that you have to show say there has been error in law. And the error might be say judge no interpret custody order say it has to be before the application. And therefore after the application on June. But if the rule is that there should be custody, and the custody should be supported by the paperwork. Now, on your paperwork, but for whatever reason, or whatever reason, they will look at the situation and offer options.
Okay.
So never can't you say, so 28 days in my idea, Umbra, na ye womb. Na yen share options are able to meet the idea.
Remedy situation.
BWF read the letter
no
okay.
BWF solicitors number no 0208 493 7340 and 077 127 61884 or more 4th floor of the Anna House, 7 Sisters, North London, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, no suppose code near N15 for NP, N15 for NP. Over trainer for Victoria Line, they see what 7 Sisters. Use exit number 2. And then I'll be PNM anymore. I don't need Anna House, no focus row, 4th floor. 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Saturdays, by appointment. Say about immigration, some party and bacho. And found one number be another book caprino. Do it once, do it well, and do it with BWF solicitors. Me kona fe mama menia na mayeti so aba na or the another question the abre near the lawyer na if you are yakwa ye quiz no and it is a pink day. It is a pink Saturday and we'll be examining some breasts. We'll be back. Now take it over.
You're cool. Oh, camping day, dear. Well, so me know better sports. I didn't know you used to breast cancer. First even as color pink. I didn't. Why do we use the color pink for that?
It was our question. Me, you are no.
Yeah, I say. Oh my, color bia I'm for my breast cancer.
It was pink is very feminine. And say predominantly, but me person establishes say breast cancer and your man kwa memma being so me and your breast cancer. And my memma timu nyomo de say a man kwa. But me feel say predominantly a man. That's why it might be pink. I'll find out.
Mate, that's it. Yo, wait, question here, a more Doric, but I think I'll summarize it down. And it said, Yama, Yenmia, baby, na Nikuno, and son and Nikuno Beba Promohano, or by Promoha as with the student visa, not the yen master program, Ewa Hase. Now, course now Otusi, and I think the course will last him, I think, 2 years. And son and Ninsaka qualification. Into a buy and just within the few months now, no papa, many are bay, Eddie Becan, who I say. Now, or Martina say, now, and Pofremo, or say, Fina, or Chiana, Yena Becan, home, Nemum, acquired in Catra, but one punit still or post school, no, on to say, O cha 1 year, a coy, no, none a year 5 from. Fire from fat, not your memoir in Cacrantin, a banister or senior, Ujai Dumano na Ujai school, sorry, now up a full-time job, now on to me fan cater for Obano and a Apalana Yawono. Now Ujai school in Sono, and in the moa, not just a ne visa ne buyena or so renew no school no amano, the necessary documents say, or that's all school more to finish. And you know, wait to me and renew, not just so I be illegal. Now, when I am the banner or the war, no, before or when the banner, and now, Oma or Bano, or be a year, they can't or your bet me a senna or dinya, ye 2.5 ye be near the then or Banu Sujana, so a dinya, Cacra, no so they share a palano. It's not just a brandy essence in me. Na ọma wumienu akasakasa ntọkwa ne ade esi omo ntem na ɔbaa no nso sɛ tirimɔden o sɛ ɔno a adeɛ ɔyɛ wanka sɛ ntɔkwa no wanka beebi efiri but na kyerɛ sɛ ɔsɛ ɔbɛrima no efiri ne hɔ ofiri ne hɔ no nso na kɔyɛ polisifoɔ asɛm ɛma sisi ano yɛakye bɛrima yi ɛna ama n'abrabɔ nyinaa ayɛ basa nti bɛrima yi si sɛ ɔbaa no edi saa abɔne no bedi ne di a ɛne ɔbɛpɛ kwan bi so ɔno nso no akɔka sɛ neɛ nkwalaa no yɛ ne mba na say ni na ɔno nso enya nkrataa no bi sɛ ɔno na ɔhwɛ ɔmo which I know say there is possibility for that ɔbaa no si ɔmpene ɔma ne ɛnyɛ saa nti ɔbɛrima yi afei ohu beebi a ɔmfa ɛna ɔka sɛ kwan bɛn na ɔbɛfa so a ɔbɛtumi ɛnyɛ saa deɛ neɛ ɔne ɔkɔyi ne tirim na ɔmo mmienu nyinaa ɛmbɔ ɔmo na mebisa sɛ lawyer ɔbɛrima yi without ɔbaa no ɔbɛtumi ayi so DNA ɛde akyerɛ sɛ ampa yɛ ne mma na ɔno nso gyina so na ɔmfa nya biribi ɛntena kurom ha na mpatwɔ.
Okay. It's just unfortunate say bibi say ekoso ewo ye nui abrebo mu. Na ni question ni nyina ne say ne bay then na obey obetumi prove say ne ba no.
Yes.
Na so no otumi prove a obetumi gina pempenso a ne ba no edu no so na ono so e de akonanim ana.
Sir.
Edi kan no wajatum directly or indirectly say akwala no e obi ba.
Sir.
Because I don't know how long akwala no ya wo no. So we do 1 year or 2 years or so then.
Omo mienu nyina wo under 3 years.
Then first abi akwala no be edi between 1 to 2.5 years.
Okay.
And akwala no ye kwa register no our birth certificate no so say obi ba no.
Sir.
And mommy and the papa ejina and so anasa mami of course ejina ade so adma kwala na akonanim na ono so nya ne de kakra.
Sir.
And papa yi calculate date ya said hang on. Da me ni mami hie sa na dwono. Nothing was going on, so my bibi dada. It cannot be somebody else.
Yes.
So channel home cry, maybe they are not confessed.
Sir.
Santi, may they jam me home, but it's not too late.
Yes.
I will fight for my right.
Correct.
And the acquire paternity issue. We have to prove who the father of the child is. And the son at Tedia on Phyllis and a banono. Na papa no a ne din da akwala no so birth certificate ono so ekasa ne ba no ma me pa no nim ne ba ne papa so na ye kan wo ya membre mu no na wo ba membre mu di a birth certificate number 1 and so birth certificate no eye contentious di a and the DNA ayo emoja na be prove nti say ekọ that level there na say prove say papa yi ne ba no there. But the question is I don't know how we do betumi anya akwanya we do be prove because we no be a court issue on and on and on. See I know from what our can there is a non-molestation order.
Yes.
Our ho baby and occupation order so ho baby. And he be a kwalai krano and my krano, he can't get closer to them. Yamano, ya be a to me and ben 1 year.
Oh, can't say of banana.
Baby, we say papa, Bibinti, Adnako police station, police in idea, yeah, the order to so. No molestation order.
Yes.
So there is family law issue going on. I will court, be a maybe. Until ne ayebe country union say onto the was no deal with issue na war at stake no because no kwan here and then liberty nso here you no fi mu na onya ne freedom a no aba fight to get his child back but no so be another process then court will order say monkoye DNA emra na ehu ne oye ne ba na court order no be mu na okoye na court kese ampa per the DNA result no ba nie dia and when oba say me be in status you're saying because you mean British passport I mean citizenship in akwala ni same because there has been mistake and then so it stages stages. She said, "American say on China, only in liberty area, then he will fight for paternity right, you know. Then whatever else, no, can continue."
Na lawyer, eno sa no, oka say ye ne mba na afe ne akwa paternity, ye mfa ne nkofi because ne fear nso say bia, senia ntokwa ne koba o ntem ne ade no sisi ono ne nkrata ne visa expire no ye de ne be kofi to no nso abohu kakra nti eno sa no onko fi ye mfa ne nko so to make sure say ne ma wo promo ohwe omo a
well ye do be kofi and say any phone kofi depends on the circumstance because enye ifie enkoye na opese otu ho na mo o se ne mba no na obi di ahye no kon
okay
Don't know per o take sa step no prove paternity na onya the father right.
All right.
Per the document na birth certificate no under the provisions of the 1989 Act no Children's Act no mami papa ni din wo birth certificate so and I say obi a owo parental responsibility in terms of guardianship ni adoption and I say stepfather no omuna omunya sap na wo nti ono no ye wan afi no person prove say oye papa
all right
nti say I don't improve here because don't improve because there is issue hanging no cause here nti ofi molestation we ni fear no your freedom kakra no we take steps to claim his right which will be another court proceedings.
Okay, we a whole case study. Now with CP, Yenya Oheneba Kingsley, I'll say I'm watching you from Ghana. Sansuso and ye war Patricia Foster, and so from Italy. I'll say I'm watching you from Italia. We Abisa. Good evening, lawyer Brakweku. Please, how long does DV application take? DV, domestic violence.
Domestic violence application.
It is same.
Right now, normally there are stages to that. So we go through domestic violence. After so be bibiano, obeya bibiano visa dada, and that's only be. The Bamano what we call temporary stay visa. Not just a video, ya did to me say, or domestic violence victim.
Okay.
They are man protection.
Okay.
Usually, na you're very limited, 6 months or under near debut, 2-3 months. Through that time, from that time, no by application.
Okay.
Usually, no under domestic violence provisions, no, but to me, I jump straight to settlement application or indefinite application.
Okay.
Just like any other application, because of domestic violence in Jaya Bantam.
Oh, okay.
Because there's already an underlying issue.
Okay. Okay. All right. Quick one.
But Mr. Just to answer the question, say Bantam how long? Usually, no matter trust 6 months, which is the standard time.
Okay.
By domestic violence, they are obey to me abba and tem.
Okay. All right.
Yo, that's the union or the assemblly by. I hope so. OTA.
Hopefully, yeah.
Now, near woman say a question I see over 5 years. I'm saying EU settlement.
I actually think so.
And no, papa. And a normal circumstance, no, when your papa na ti krom ha. And I say, okay, we depend on papa society, your mao. Now wait to me no papa then. Atina. Now for whatever reason, no send your canon no sanet. I want to believe say papa no all kwana wasen aba. I want to believe so. Nti sa papa no kwana wasen aba dia, obi atumi tu kwan na wa back. Nti papa no tu kwan na wa back dia, and the still amoti. Nti send your hwe no, you still have evidence with the original application as a dependent of papa no. Na say ebrono so na wo kwaye extension a wo de aye ne saa. I want to believe say papa just temporary na wa back. But say ko basa papa say on to me tina ha biem to call permanently. European country owo mu a de be exercise the treaty right wa hano dia. Then na papa no can say hano a opeso otina santi wonso ya age wa tum mu a woni ne ti wa hano. On tina ha biem. Santi okọ de anya wo ye den wa ha.
Yes, also. I think it's on formal relationship. Well, I
know she say dependency, also mention dependency. So make us I want to believe say papa no enko yes obi akọ short term na waba ni ade. Enti I want to believe say papa akọ short term na why there waba. And na papa you see say papa na fimu a any a different matter.
Okay.
Then you look at your retention of rights, as a dependent of a EU father, But sa papa ni fimu, kwa papa ni fimu, say prove sa papa ni fimu.
Okay.
And I sanka, na yere, and I say nukuno a, obakasa awaro negu, no the evidence abesa awaro negu. But what papa die, na would prove say there is no relationship when say papa na iden, fimu. Nisa papa ni fimu na papa no abo assisting akwatena baby fufuro fi ba ya dia. Now, Papa ne can say on to me and continue to exercise the treaty right.
Okay.
Treaty right no so na yegina so a ye de man no a ne mba no so ye de depend on no so. So na make us I want to believe say Papa no nkoye.
Okay.
So nkoye de a se ne o ti krom ha o ye adwuma no ni bibia o de ti krom ha e kire se o ye adwuma no. Sa nyama nyina be de adanse e. Se ne kwan ofa so a oboa no a o de ye first one no so obeka adane nyina no o de aiden. Or the aye nti me sure say woni papa bakasa na waba after holiday no na wabetoa ni treaty right no eso.
Okay. Yeah, now so say kofa quiz ne but there's one question me pese atifo ene ahwefo ne ade nyina ene my senior producer was there mama fanka ho Okay, we say I got my 5 years to remain under EU family member route in June. I started my second job, which is the civil enforcement officer, on 7th August this year. How many years will it take me to bring my 7-year-old son from Ghana to UK without the help of my partner, since we are living together with 2 children at the age of 17 and 22 in a 3-bedroom apartment with a hall?
Right.
I'm saying we not to know how you know
okay. So it's not even about say relationship now, just or share accommodation side, Until yeah calculate or 2-bedroom and a hall, which is 4 rooms. 4 rooms in Pacho, young call ages of Nkwalana or the more buy, how many under 10s?
I say Akwalana Oba no a year 7-year-old and only under 10.
Under 10.
And you were 17 and 22.
So 17 and 22 will need 2 rooms.
Okay.
And now on I see only the year be not one, and I send a girlfriend in that.
Well,
whatever.
Or then the partner.
It's in the partner no almost being here one.
Until now you 2 rooms.
One column in 2 rooms. On the partner, 3rd room. There is a hall available,
which is the 4th.
They are 22-year-old to use it, and I said for 7-year-old to use it. Until number normal one, they will need 4 rooms, including the hall.
Okay, so Minia, we'll be here 4 rooms, including the hall, or 3-bedroom plus a living room.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Because hall no, you can't say room.
Until the beginning, always of this, no. Beginning, let me say a room and our bedrooms.
Okay, until you can't now say because the entire living room account say which me that home and ye.
Okay.
Until you can't be a better. Maybe an impanel bed down. How many rooms? And now public health regulations actually say hall actually so it me use as a room. Santi say nimpa ba kombro so a obetumi use hall. Nti ye kind of sad there and yet 3 bedrooms no plus your hall no about 3 rooms.
Okay. Right.
About 4
rooms.
Yes.
Abdullah Mohammed, I'm watching from Stratford. Thank you very much. Hi, senior brother. I'm watching you from the Czech Republic. I am really enjoying the lessons. Okay, that's CP. Amazing program. Thank you very much, BWF Solicitors. Ezekiel Johnson, Ediano. We also say Kwame Pepra, but don't forget he's also asking doing the application without his partner.
That is why I said, what are we looking at here? And to say, in terms of accommodation, there's that possibility. Okay. Now, young call baby ne partner no SSA womb and SSA on and he say you call if you ne way no.
The first question no.
So no 5 years pre-settled.
Okay. Pre-settled
no. And ono ankasa I say ofan oye adwuma which is fine. Ne ba no a person ode ne ba no 7 years old. And I want to bring my son without my partner. Okay. I don't know why I want a partner to and the partner into me and step in and as a family. Okay. And since we are, I say, without my partner, since we are living together with 2 children at the age of 17. Yeah, the fact that only 2 children actually in chance want to mean third child Ember.
Okay.
So I can't say without my partner because we are not living together there. Then, but we are living together. Only problem is saying, "Well, I know overcrowded." There's no overcrowding issue.
Okay.
Yes, because some year juma. And you better calculate maintenance. No, since the last time you know. Whoa. Now, my main original so ne dear no. Bet me because I am a stepchild and because say partner no so I worry no so worry you so married or so I worry no dear just I worry no I worry no dear definitely no the stepchild no bet me either abba or no my ticket.
Oh, okay.
Make it even easier.
Anyway, when you name the entire also person or without
and the sanity there be fact be went to me amba because of a public discussion into but made na be hunya na ye hwe ne a ewo mu a ye betumi etie na ye tumi hu options a ewo ho emawo why but modern.
The community and the law. Ebaso Saturday area between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Yeah, abusia me pese ye de yam quiz no eba eno nti bomodi answer obetimi atwen yen na eba na afi o the quiz no e de abre yen. Now ene me say a pinky day. Na menya answer no.
Sir. And you catch me.
Me ba no ba be catch you because we you know say the Emma BWF extraordinary. I don't know. People are working behind the scenes and giving us everything that we need to have. Now, Menkanjo, over my prize now.
You like you know.
Oh, prize when I don't here.
Ezekiel, you better decide. Ezekiel Johnson.
Ezekiel, the person mommy kenke because who say person mommy kind of no.
Or see where who kenke a baby.
Me patch hold on 1 second. Okay, na maba enkwala nse say.
Yo, waba any obedi kaka o de na kire me ana.
The atia any me ma I'm going to give you the answer.
Okay.
Was say what color does pink represent? What does the pink color represent? You say ejina ho emma life affirming, a J and atum. And now fe a calming. Oh, say yeah, be catch us when you are na when you cancer, will be agitated, kakra, will be disturbed. But when you look at the pink color, it calms you down. And unti no ewo. And now fe a playful. Ubi a why stressed no definitely yetimi emma no bibia ebetimi ama wetimi ade agro kakra no calm down senior the other one and it's quietening. If something is calming, definitely it's quietening. And a stress relieving. Na a year family beer back in the day, almost started the breast cancer awareness campaign. No? And almost yes, almost the pink ribbons near the ebe sisi or nafi almost I representing. Then there's this magazine, Self Magazine NST, 1991. And almost the AC Jose you celebrate the breast cancer month in October, and it was fairly obvious, say yeah, the pink color and a day ebe. But of my family don't remember.
You might say, why are you real? One say, abribia yes, yeah, you know, sometimes from no babies I say, why do we use pink for such things now? Now when your baby and nasa particular moment, no share that why you call so any you can saying. When your whole research be out the wabe so into so what but then you've never taken the pain to go through and find out why these colors and these days are represent this you can say cancer. The senior bear also be nyanim there they are trying to recommend us at least and monsieur baby near breast cancer. Near you used to paint why the day the month was chosen near the other. And for Sanya, no, Abribia, na Yisia, na ye coy name in India, Obi de Mawa, Yanoaji, in India, here pa, and now we can knowledge there in Yankasa. Or when I am quiz, no, na ejina breast cancer awareness week, na manta, you woman. Now last week, say, it's for Bekaya, maybe kakra, maybe ma. The symptoms are young man sabi or say yehwehwe ana yehu si yehu a na yehu say ye bibia or say ye 2 anamum na ye ntwen so na mbeye bedu premprem so bi ana so we work bedu stage bi ana afedie na the treatment and I say why a befa so dia combat no na abeye den nti ye ma no ye hye ne ho so nti no orekum da so de ba mesha da menken kan me ma etiefo ne hu na men go straight ahead na men fa me quiz no emra. So those who have a look at it now no at least mo benya the idea about these breast cancer symptoms are made urban. And to make cost or make question no it's for Mr. Momontio na and try na board so no I could say very tiny for some of us. Yeah, about charity and I charity with the 60 years old retired head teacher. So let me begin this way. Charity is a 60-year-old retired head teacher. Despite her age, she carries out her aerobics activities to stay fit and at all times. She is very particularly about her health and ensures that she is consistent with her healthy lifestyles. 3 weeks ago, she noticed that her left breast was a bit lumpy and occasionally itchy. She told her friend Sue that she told her friend Sue about this, but Sue attributed this to be the pressure of the aerobics exercise that Charity does. Okay, now Charity intends to stop her healthy lifestyle because she does not want the itchy and the lumps to get worse. Now, my question here is, which of the following advice will you give Charity? The first advice will be, itchy and lumpy breast has nothing to do with aerobics. Itchy and lump in the breast has nothing, could be early signs of breast cancer. Say breast cancer has nothing to do with age and it can affect anyone despite your age, despite your color, despite your race. And I say, number 4, Charity should seek immediate medical attention. And I say number 5, niyama bobo so nyina from 1 to 4, ne nyina obeji atum sa advice and I would be so yebeka all of the above. Miss Remo, we the tia Charity ye mame ne nefika kra with the sister or ye head teacher warita na wafa aerobics any exercise near their day to be part of a lifestyle and just so stay healthy and fit. Na nanse mu beye na otwe miensem we won se ne nufuo baako bibi ye kalampia bibi kitikiti bi ayese emu aye dubi kakra na se ehu umia baby aye se epo bi bibi sa afenso ya na ekeka no na ekeka no so na mana yetitriti bi enti no okachira ne nua aba na se na damfo aye friend sister Sue say me nua aba me won se me nufuin to de bia na emu abeye titriti na emu keka me ho ne keka me ne ade ne nua ba Sue ka kire ne say oh na say wo no de bia na the American na we exercise na we stretching na we keep fit na we senti ebia eno nti na wonya sa feelings no enti to adwe mu nanso me ne wo ye hwa esan say yenim some of the symptoms na breast cancer edebane ede afutu na yede bema yenua oba enti ne de kan yesi o itching lumpy breast no it's got nothing to do with the aerobics no eye nokre anase enye nokre anase each a lump in the breast no betumi aye early signs of breast cancer. Anase breast cancer no has nothing to do with age. Emfa ho ne wenyi baby awedu ubetumi enya breast cancer ye nokre anase enye nokre. Anase Charity edie emfa America enkohwehwe doctor ichira kwan no nhwe ma no anase niamaka ni nyina no ye bedi ni nyina atum se or say otu wana no menua no we ni me quiz, which one is your answer? Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3, is it 4, and I say 5 no enti we de ore kumituma pampana. Oh, maintain voice.
Answers kakra abba enti yenhwe Ezekiel started this way or say Linda Brownie Ademununkum. Well, that's not the answer we're looking for. Okay, yeah. Young called Doris was say 5. That is all of the above. Doris dear and no. You were Kwame Pepra, all of the above, which is number 5. Ademununkum. I said yes, the chocolate. Obi say you may find the prize and turn ho Monday oba befa. Okay, you call Ezekiel Johnson ho. I say number 4. Ezekiel said number 4. Afri was say number 5. So which is which? Which one is which? 4 or 5? Emu dia he and memfa. Okay, now me ma with the discretion. Ezekiel say 4. I say was say 5. Then answer the hen emfa.
Ezekiel but bomodia na fa ba ko to ho na ye marko na me teacher ne o ka 4 ni 5 no mema oni nyina wrong.
Okay, Mama call Alexa say so. Alexa say essay number 4. You call Kwame Lord. Kwame Lord say 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Kwame Lord there and no. So and Ademununkum 2, 3, 4. On Friday was me find the prize and to a Monday about office ababefa. Here has will be chat. Kwame Pepra or say all but 3. All but 3. Kwame Pepra you will say 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Once and then wabechiri sano. I dare say Han or Kai was say just leave my prize at the office. I'll be there on Monday. But you hear say ucha dia. Doris or say 5. All of the above. You were. Are they also chocolate? No. Okay. Yeah. So we try there. Okay. Now Ezekiel say my answer is 5. I mistyped earlier.
Okay.
Okay. Now with him. And then yeah, remember no. Yen say I drink here. Lawyer Charles Opel on pill. Maybe some question no one. Inti, remember. Lawyer Charles, who was available?
You say a foot na midi 2 minutes dia. Enka maka chane say no kreni nyani age no na emanu nya ebetumi nya cancer no nti bia tinya bi. No kre enye exercise no ye hwemu kra nka exercise no etumi prevent ade no nti nye exercise no. Ye hwemu anka ebe ka chane say ebe hia say obe take advice no na we ko hu doctor. Ye hwemu anka we ka say manage healthy lifestyle na o keep no. Nti na sanka me tunu fodi anka meka say kro ekosi anan ni nyina no eye ema no. Santi number 5 no all of that.
Okay. Lawyer say number 5. Okay, well, mama hey na I'm meba ya motre mama member. Okay, asafo abibio say number 5. You were Abena Tivo and so say number 5. In fact, me call number 5.
Okay.
Enti we'll answer na day.
Yo, madam nyina say dodo na etwa kama number 5 na nentremoni ene say. Ye nyina enim say breast cancer no affect young, it affects the old. And the warning signs include lumps and itchy in the breast. Breast cancer is not dependent on your daily routine. Therefore, it is always advisable to have a regular breast screening, especially when an unusual is noticed. And number 5, no, and a answer. Or say first 4 na wo ho nyina no. Or 2 Yes, sir.
Last week, my early symptoms, no.
Yes.
You bet me as I could try you.
It's a version now. Yes, the symptoms ne dear senior tiano and you're making kai casadodrona abim. Now may I'll just revisit it for just a second. And it said
Okay.
breast cancer, in fact, Arabia hard be a man or a woman said to me or bear to me man, na dodrona na mano in yayen temper. Na why my oba wow shemi wa baby so your buying tino. Main cat ne kakra. See some of the symptoms now, and I say ye nimwa, and ye say na some of them no to me eba. Araba no send ye me baby king can no so na unhunisa na something different out of the normal no so and also so me advice and kakra me to me suggest about stay bombarding na ko hu doctor na ye further examination. It's in ye kind say say newly formed lamb in the breast and I say underarm not just say upeja wonsa na so baby a wenu for no ekota wonsa na sometimes we won say oho ebi wo ha tumi etitiriti make say etitiriti anya say bia na eye po anka se bi na abesi what say pompo da bi utumi won say bia na oho skin no aye titiriti bia I say anansi achi obi se ne anensa ne eye no. Sometimes when you have that feeling now, Mr. Femrika, ekohu GP. Sometimes so ne obehunu say dimpling and I say irritation of the breast skin. Irritation so the name. I say BB hard liquid and hard citrus liquid be egu nsa ho. Na ichi se ne ya na hihye wonsa na hihye sensation bi na ekikao sa uhu sa wo nufu hu ba bia Mr. Enidiemo Femrika ekona ko hu doctor. Sounds na sometimes we be say a pain in the area of the breast. We no funi me enu nyina no. Sometimes baby won say na ya unti ase eto de bia na yen say oh what brebi na bia that pain but who say enya da pro enye mienu na ekwa akoye pain bia repeating itself pe Mr. Femrika kona ko hu doctor na katre no senior o fele and so say sometimes we be discharging kitty be from the nipple no baby ne ni ba ko ne ni ba ko no ewo no ye ma nufoni no nipple no be say nya say wumia mpo e be wo ha o pepa wo ho a be say na nsuo bi abeta no kitty bi eno a enya wo ya na nso no ohu sa pe abra sebi previous enya ukro na twetwe ama odi a ene Femrika ko hu doctor na yen hwe ho asem enkama na eno nya no kwa sometimes no nso no be hu a yen naturally no yenufo no ya na ba ko wo soro kakra chen ba ko ne me pa chen se ba ko so kakra sen ba ko na ye dan ne yehu enam se de bia ya na edware na ye wi a ye kugina mirror na ya hwe ye nufo no nti wo naturally se ba ko so but so no enye so obvious or say all of a sudden who say ba kwa a very very obvious kese chen ba ko na eno nso no could be sign inte ho no nso o so hye ne nso na ukọ na ko hu o doctor afen so no shape no nso saa to make change uyi a obehu esan se bia se wo de no modu na perform kakra o se ni nyina to me ye perform enye se ba ko tenten na ba ko tieti amenu ai no so eba ne saa Femrika kona ko hu doctor afen so no ya na e kan readiness anase kokko wo ye tuntum so wo behwe ho no na oho na ye say ye de cane abo bi na oho epejepeja na aye kokko redness sometimes no eya na eye very deceiving embia wa hye braise bi achichiwa nti wo be yi no na aye max wo ho menia eye first second third instant no say we dware emre atom still a mark na nkwa mesrew bomodia na ko hu doctor na sa flaky skin no ba wo onipo no aye say we dware na wansra na aye dry afa wasra nso still na flaky skin no ba and also could be sign of breast cancer and the tract invention and as a pulling in the nipple no say ya na standard na ohun say afa de ba ko epie kra chen ba ko na say ba ko akohyem kra chen ba ko a and also so etumi eba say symptoms ne bi na obe de ehu me photo kito a me de be ka on say me srew abri bia ye dware gina mirror ni mu no oba ya na wankasa obetumi ada ho flat na wa examine enufo ni nyina se wontumi nya kire wukunu na da ho na onye da wuchi flat na ono a enya ne boko ohu bibia enya normal peka se ade de bia mi som na ene de mi som ayese aha ye denden kakra na aha ye dududu kakra na sa aha ye bibi abra enye se wonyem ana se wenya wo period sometimes eno so wonyem ana wonya wo period tenderness no to me change kakra enti se ni mienu we enye wo na eno so no o so utumi na okohu doctor enti oreku kakra betu menuanom ema no efo ewo breast cancer symptoms no na minimum si ha medamase medawon so ase tie ko medamo nyina ase na oreku metoma so moji adoa
so moji masom anti o say yandai ya na yenya anti me ba cho obi anko yes examination next week maybe sir senior okoye ya no ekusi but whatever it is all the other things aside omodi say uhu bibi very unusual go and see your doctor. Early help is always advisable and it helps. Like Charles mami embra was so to say na fe yemfa yenkomono emmewie and then we dey simaba akope we tofa and then common dey
you me that's bebre and then we share paragraph 297IF of the Immigration Rules Appendix FM no ukofa wo ba aba abrochire titiru UK omanmu na ya say den na chere say akwala no ne welfare is at stake bibi ekoso na brebu ma eyenya santi sawanfa akwala na mba bibi ebetumi ato akwala no we den na we prove sa asem we na emrane say fact sensitive santi information dodo awo no anase evidence dodo awo no aya eboa the case bia nso ne de different na we no nyoma miensa na ewom o si serious the serious say a case law be to say Mundiba 2013 NA Bangladesh 2021 and ekeka ho nyina no ba culture said sa na etie de assessment based na assessment no a yebeye no so be fall under legislation section 55 of the Border Citizenship and Immigration Act 2009 no and no in a case where can be share na say could do court nso a judge nso e be share na titiri yam pese could do court it na yedi sa enkomo no it is serious there ye share bibi to do with abuse to do with neglect and when we be say abuse and neglect be mpe na say there is harm and as harm no betumi ama akwala ni nyini aka echire anase akwala ntumi kura efim anase bibi serious betumi ato akwala no ebia na akwala no obi ani ho ohwe no ono nkuto na ote that is serious issue a ekoso ebia nipa na ote no abuse no financially, physically, sexually, emotionally, psychologically and no serious issues until you need evidence to support on all that. Nti se bibis esisa bia police report wo ho social welfare report wo ho nipa na ono otie so mintumi hwe ne bia ama wo letter saa nyoma ne nyina no edi adanse se bibi koso a emwa akwala no ni na enye fe na ya hwe compelling family considerations no compelling say bibi be hwe wo se akwala no tumi efi baby a owo no amane a ekoso no anha no ni nyini nti saa compel no saa na etie dia a ohyeban na ebe ho nti eho no na case worker no ebehu se na ekoso no ehye se akwala no emfi oman no mu enko oman fufuro mu na saa ohye no antumi owendi so dia ende ebema akwala no bebi owo no anase ntumi an separate no emfi ho a bibi betumi esia ebebro adwene entiase eso betumi kura ewu anase bibi betumi aye no na saa na etie dia third party no say arrangement ben na wankasa waye a kwala ne ba bebi a wo pese oba no a afidia obeye safer nti ho na obekirem se akwala ye obe oba betena me nchen me angasa so me ye adwuma na mbo ma pa bi a kara bi a obeboa akwala ne hwe ebi a bebi a obekọ school bibia ma ya arrangement all those things no onya no baby no owo no afide oba obenya na kire say you have also put in place arrangement akwala ne ba obetumi ne ana esia ento ha adwen no eba oba entumi ensi ebiem enti we no ne ayeka ne say ubehia evidence bebre na evidence ben na ubetumi ade aba letter kire say akwala no nipa na ohwe no so ontumi hwe ne biem say ya abuse and say rape and say bibi akoso a police report and say social welfare for assessment bi akoso na ni nyina mu no as say wo prove say akwala no ye oba and say akwala no ye wo adopted child bi esa nti na ye kan nyina ne say enye straightforward santi wo case no na be determine evidence a we here wo be prove sa test no. Fact sensitivity no very, very important.
Lawyer Charles Asma and more tin and cat say one bonny tofa a day and my. We've run over our time, but nina worth it. Education na maniti de MI if kukrama to ema no for mutitru no very important. Mijidi yesa obashano so na uhu bibi shonkobia na otumika akwakuhu doctor for na wahwe ede ama and we train on so momodia say obashare program na dodo ensa aka. We're live on Facebook BWF Solicitors. We're live on YouTube BWF Solicitors. Any live or about radio so UK about radio Sunday the 17th of October 2021 7 p.m. UK time. We're signing a broadcasting program na say the live one once account na wetibi and the footage will also be on our Facebook and YouTube page for as long as you can go there and watch. So share it with others and click on the notification button or say you're the new post to be able to when sa ebetimi akabi. As that encore Lawyer Charles Asma yami ensure that CP catch madam say your man education next week results are free and we're trained also so as that encore minia ba na mayeti say on also so ejibre na obeboy na. Thank you.
Reku, yes.
Assignment number the amount of no.
Sir.
I'm an assignment. So we are with you now about my testimony. I was also
Mate.
I'll give you my results next week. Don't worry.
But you, Mate, measure
okay. We see us answer so and enya daje time ho ehwe yen so eda wase. As na encore my studio and programs manager Professor Ade say oboa ehye niema nyina ama yede ebre wo sanso so and lawyer penning for lawyer Richard, lawyer Eunice, lawyer Patrick and opemu na nkasa Uncle Ben also so eda wase for the content production and afi advice on mode MI and executive support. Sanso so and Auntie Cynthia, Sandra, and Lord Mackenzie, the Lord Chancellor Forson, and Beatrice, Akia, and Dodo War, Jennifer, more BWF solicitors, and you so Ecoso Adamasi, more support to Jimmy. The research you do and to support us is marvelous, and we can't put a value on that. God bless you. Thank you so very much. Also, and a designer. Padmodudu and my marketing and administrative manager Sheila Ankra. Yame and Koso in Sham. If I'm a recruitment point, it's being the community and the law and Yadi Ebra. We'll be back same time next week on the same platform with another very interesting edition of the program. Yamin Shaw on show also na yensai and share you. Keep sharing, keep talking, and the law is what you need to live with. And if you're living by the law, your trusted partner is the BWF Solicitors Organization. BWF, your trusted partner in law. We'll be back same time next week. Good
evening. Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things?